So here we are in the Buick. It spikes 14.5 pounds and holds 12. I ordered a boost gauge OBD2 reader for like all the car's information and a boost controller, but I want to get a full quarter-mile pass to see what this thing's actually going to do on the street. So I'm going to do a draggy pass at 12 pounds just to get a baseline. Full tank of gas, bunch of stuff in the trunk, bunch of stuff in the car, not optimal conditions, on-street tires on the street, but it'll give me a general idea. Let's see. Looks like we're going to need a little bit more time on the converter. She was a little bit laggy, so at least we got a practice launch. Going to run this supercharged GTP. He's making like a little high 300s maybe. Yeah, but that thing gets out quick though. Yeah, that turbo, it works for a little guy. Yeah, I was gonna say, this is my downshift speed. Yeah, off the line is where this thing shines. Just a little tiny bit of converter and then leave before it builds boost and it hooks.
It needs to be less restricted.
Yeah, no shit.
That exhaust he's got, it's dual engine, it's dual in the back. So it's 3-inch from the mid pipe all the way back, straight pipe.
What is he looking to get for it?
Literally be like 9 day.
What's he looking to get for it?
Got a cutout, but the jackass installed it, took all the box and shit for it.
Oh.
So you'll have to buy a box if you want the cutout to work, but it's literally straight pipe.
Fair enough.
You'll have to cut a hole in your bumper to make it fit back there.
I can live with it.
This light likes to take pictures of you.
Yeah, I wish I could just manually downshift like that, but this don't like it. This doesn't like the manual downshift.